Pasok!
Oh,
Hello!
it's Lila.
Welcome sa aking mini store.
This is your mini store.
Yes,
Lila.
mabuti. Welcome sa may mabuting tindahan.
Yeah, we have some Mentos, snack candies, green tea, milk, a Milo, Sky Flakes,
Pancit
Pancit
Canton,
Canton,
Chicheria.
Chicheria. So I see that you're not selling soft drinks.
Walang soft drinks, hindi sila may soft drinks. Tapos sila gatas, ganun. Kape, no sugar. Tapos Milo sa gatas. Yun lang.
Yes. So what would you have to say to the people that always say bad comments that you need to work harder and stuff?
Yeah. Oh,
It looks like you have a full-time job and you have a business, Sari.
Kasi sa mga nasasabing tamad ako, wag kayong magkomento kung hindi nyo ako kilala.
If you don't know what you're talking about, don't talk.
Yeah.
You make yourself look dumb, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Because it looks to me like Lila has a nice little office.
Sideline.
Yeah, nice office job plus a sideline business.
Yeah. So,
Plus on weekends you're helping to feed the homeless.
Yeah. Tapos nag-utid na kami ng towels ni Kuya Kano. Nasaan yung tamad doon? Nasaan?
Yes, and I've noticed in your videos you cook lunch sometimes or breakfast for the employees.
Yeah.
Show us the kitchen.
Okay.
Sideline, not part of
Yes.
your job, right?
Yeah.
That's extra income.
Extra.
Oh.
Oo. Extra income.
Yes. So the advice to the bashers are, if you don't know Lila or I, quit judging us. You're hearing misinformation from a man
Who don't know us all.
who doesn't know us also.
Hindi kami kilala. So, wag kayo mag-bash.
Yeah. Bashers, beware of Jesus will judge you. Your heavenly Father is looking down, ashamed at you for judging us.
Wag kayo magsinungaling. Para yan sa mga sinungaling tao. Para awa nyo na, wag po kayo magsinungaling. Para sa inyong views.
Yeah.
No, don't tell a lie.
Yeah, don't make up stories just for your views. So that other people out there.
You don't know us, so.
You don't know us. You only lied about it. We told him the truth about us, but he insisted on making story.
Yeah. It's his fault, not what?
It's not our fault. Well, it is our fault for allowing it.
Yeah. But what can we do? We're only human.
We're only human. We could have said no.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Sorry for that.
For lying.
Yeah. But it's true. Since 3 years ago, wala kaming bahay dito sa Manila. Pero
yes, you've had this job for 3 years.
Yeah, 3 years. May babaeng tumulong sa amin, nabigay sa akin ng trabaho. That's 3 years ago. Wala kaming bahay, binigyan kami ng tirahan, binabayaran ko buwan-buwan. So yun na. Yun lang po. Kailangan na lang namin kumayod sa weekends kasi kulang yung pambili ng pagkain. So, nagtitinda kaming towels. Nung nabutan ni DF na may hungry sign siya, nagtitinda kami ng towels. Tingnan niyo po yung video yung first video na, nandun yung towels ko.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. That's it.
All right. And for the rest of your business that you also do at work, but this is a sideline also.
Yeah.
Your carinderia?
My small carinderia. cooking stove over here. Tapos may microwave. Sa kumpanya to. Pero ginagamit namin.
So, yes.
Ito ang aking kusina.
Yeah, very
Kusina.
nice, big, clean. So here is where you prepare meals for them
Yes.
for more extra income.
Oo.
So it sounds to me like you really work hard.
Yeah. Nagtatrabaho ako araw-araw. Para
Yes.
sa mga nagsasabing tamad ako, hindi niyo ako kilala. Good.
Yes. People don't even know you talking bad about you
Yeah.
because of a certain person that told lies.
Yeah. Apektado rin ako. Sasabihin tamad ako. Hello, may trabaho po ako. 3 taon na ka dito. 3 taon na yung store ko.
Small carinderia.
Yeah.
Plus, you have your income.
Selling towels.
Yes, and on weekends we sell towels.
Yeah.
And if we were short that week of food, I would go and hungry sign because people would give foods I take home and we would eat.
Yeah, we don't throw the...
It would be for our dinner.
Hindi namin sinasayang bumibigyan ng pagkain kasi inuuwi namin para kainin namin. Hindi po masama ang manghingi. Mas masama ang magnakaw. Yeah.
Yeah.
I said, it's not a big sin to beg, but the big sin is...
Yeah, if you're short of food,
Yeah.
it's better to ask for food than it is to steal.
Yeah.
Or lie.
Correct ka dyan.
Yes. God knows we weren't homeless. God knows Lila has this job here.
Yeah.
Big kitchen you have.
Yeah.
And then you would set your food up over here.
No, just bring on the table.
Oh, you just put it. So the table used to be right there. Now the table is
inside
in the dining area instead, because this is non-aircon room.
Yeah.
Lila has to cook with no aircon.
Yeah. Ano electric fan.
No. Oh, you can. Oh, yeah, huh?
No, they're using it.
They're using it. So let's go take a look at the dining table. Nah, you don't need to show the dining table.
Yeah.
That's it. And this is only your sideline income
Yeah.
at work. Plus, you still have your
Yes.
monthly salary, which is good also.
Meron po akong salary, saldo sa buwan-buwan. So, pandagdag lang to sa kinikita ko para makadagdag din ako sa pagtulong ni Kuya Kano sa mga homeless.
Yes. That's why we weren't homeless. We were hungry because, yes, we have an apartment. We have a nice apartment. Lots of things. Because Lila has worked hard. And my job was selling towels and getting money for food, giving. Recording. All right. On a positive note, thank you to all the supporters.
Salamat sa inyo sa panonood ng aming video. Keep watching the ads.
Well, you don't have ads yet.
Kuya Kano.
Yeah, this is your channel, Lila.
Okay.
Help me get to ads.
Yeah. Tulungan niyo po ako magka-ads para mas lumaki yung kikitain ko, makakatulong kami ng mas maraming homeless. Thank you.
Yes, more income, more people to feed.
Yeah.
On Kuya Kano channel.
Yes.
All right.
It's our channel anyway.
Yes. This is your channel. The other one's our channel.
Don't tell me it's my channel. It's our channel.
Okay, we have two. This
have
is
two channels.
this is Tagalog channel.
Yeah. Tagalog channel.
But you're not speaking Tagalog right now.
Tagalog.
Still speak Tagalog. You're
I
speaking
don't know.
English.
I don't know channel.